Today on Whitlock Garage, we're going to pick up some new wheels and hubcaps for a future project. Alright guys, so today we're going up to my buddy Jason's to pick up some new wheels and some hubcaps for a future project. We're not going to really tell you what project that is just yet, but really cool wheels, really cool hubcaps, and we might even get to show you around in his garage. He's got some cool projects, not all GM stuff, but definitely cool stuff. Y'all hang tight, we'll show you what we're working with here in just a minute. Is there something you need to say? You ready to go do something fun, girl? What are we gonna do? Go eat. You wanna go eat some pizza? Go eat some pizza? And maybe see some cool truck stuff? And maybe play with Henry? Yeah. What do you think?
Sounds good.
All right, so we just got to Jason's. This man's got an awesome shop and a new house. Coming to get these wheels, but he's got some cool stuff in this brand new shop that I think y'all might want to see. 402 big block, yeah. Man, this is so cool. And that's what came in this? Man, so this has all been, yeah, I know. Rust free. Is it a 70?
70.
Yeah.
GMC.
70 GMC burb. It's had all the rust fixed, all sorts of body work done. It's cool, firewall. .402 big block. That thing just looks awesome sitting there. And then this bad boy, which is what we're about to get that out for. Awesome long bed F100. Original paint black. You said it's 67?
67.
That's so cool. Jason, the lighting in here is just amazing, man. It looks awesome. Tow pig, 7.3 diesel, power stroke. It's power stroke, right? Yeah. This stuff is awesome. And what is this?
351 Cleveland.
351 Cleveland. All my GM boys are gonna hate it.
Right.
They'll get over it.
4 year only. They didn't build them.
Oh, 4 year only. I thought you said.
I think it was 70 to 74.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Now, what's the difference in a 351 Cleveland and a 351 Windsor? Didn't they make? Isn't that right?
Yeah.
And they're just plants, different.
The Windsor was built at the Windsor plant in Canada, and the Cleveland was built in Cleveland, Ohio.
That's awesome, man.
The difference is the heads are different, the block's different. There's like a lot of
differences.
Ford built these like for NASCAR, basically.
Okay.
So they were trying to get real high flow engines, so they had high flow heads. The block could flow a lot more. So it was a little beefier. The only weakness of these is really the cylinder walls.
Okay. Are they real thin?
Yeah. So like a Boss 302
Yep.
was a Windsor, like a 302 Windsor block with a set of Cleveland heads on it.
Oh.
So because the heads flew so much.
Yeah. Okay. Man, this thing's gonna be awesome in this truck. So are you still doing the F100 mob thing?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay. I'm gonna drop his Instagram in right here. This guy's a huge, he's a big GM guy, but he's definitely grew up on Fords. And that's right. All right, guys. We got these Detroit Steel Mobsteel wheels. And I'm actually not even gonna take them out of the box. They've already been powder coated. And got the caps or got the cap clips already set on them. Looks like a dual drilled for 5x5, 5x5.5. Because that's what that truck is, right?
Yeah, this is 5x5.5.
Yeah.
This is 5x5.
Heck yeah. That's actually, is that gloss white?
Yeah.
It's kind of got a creamy looking color, which I like actually. I may end up powder coating them a different color, but I'm gonna try them on like this. Let's throw one of these caps on here. All right, so.
A nice cap. To make it look prettier.
Yeah, let's throw one of your nice ones on there. The one I really need to be buying from you.
I did that for your theatrical part of it.
So these are a 20 by 8, 20 by 9. I know, he was like,
it don't even look like it's ever been done.
That's what he said. That's one reason I was like, I cannot believe you sold these things out from under me. I told you I wanted them. But it worked out fine. I'm glad they went to you, and I know I can get it back if I need to.
Yeah. Before it's over with.
Yeah, man. That looks killer. I actually really like the gray on the white like that.
I think it looks good.
I do too. All right, man. Well, these are awesome. I'm gonna give you your money for them, and they'll show up on a project. Okay guys, so we just got home from picking up the new Detroit Steel Mobsteel wheels. I failed to mention when we picked them up, they're 20 by 8s in the front, 20 by 9s in the rear. The front have a 4.75 back spacing and the rear have a 4.5. So 4.5 inch back spacing in the rear, 4 3/4 back spacing in the front. They've been powder coated gloss white, but we're probably gonna end up repowder coating them, but we'll fill you in a little bit more on our plan for those wheels as we unveil the project. So, y'all stay tuned. We got a lot more coming from Whitlock Garage, especially when it comes to those wheels and the future project that it's going on. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't done that yet. Be sure to smash the like button below the screen there if you like what you see. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about big Steelies with hubcaps or small Steelies with hubcaps or any wheel and hubcap or any wheel, billet wheel, whatever. You get the message. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon on another Whitlock Garage. Cue the music.